Three. All right, guys. So we're back. I'm gonna put on a second coat. I had to put on this mask, this coronavirus mask, because the odor is strong. Remember, these are chemicals. This uses chemicals, so the odor is kind of strong. So I put on my coronavirus mask. Okay, and what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put a second coat on it. It's coming out. It came out fresh. I'm gonna put the second coat so it can come out even fresher. You know what I'm saying? This really did the job, man. This will cost a lot of money if you was to take it to an auto detailer. Those are the type of people that do this. Okay, it costs a lot of money. It all depends what a lot of money is to you. So, you decide if it's worth taking it to a professional, or if you got the time to just do it yourself, go ahead, man, and do it. I mean, to me, this is a hobby. I'm enjoying doing this. It's good to enjoy what you do, or to do what you enjoy. All right. So another thing is, man, I see people get trillions of views on these social media channels, man. I've been trying to get. It was tough for me to get 100 views on some of my videos. I don't know what people do, but yeah, I'm trying to get views, man. I don't know if it's my content, my content. I'm sorry that it's either it sucks, or I'm not hitting the right people to watch my videos, man. But I would surely wish people could comment on my videos and say something and tell me if it's nice, if it's not nice. But I don't know how they do it, man. Honestly, I do not know how people do it. Get 1 trillion views and likes. I'm lucky if the most I've gotten, and I had my channel for over a year. The most I've had views is like 140 or something like that. Not a lot, man. I mean, all my videos can't suck, and if they do, please let me know. If they do suck, please let me know. Write a comment. If it's not of your interest, I understand. Everybody can't love me. But there's got to be one video out there that people say, wow, that's nice, or oh, I didn't like that. Nice and quiet in this neighborhood. You can hear the birds. Yeah, we're in the tropic. We're in the Caribbean here. I mean, lots of mosquitoes, lots of bugs flying around. Some people like it, some people don't. For each his own. Different strokes for different folks.
Oh yeah.
All right, let me step out a minute and get this side of this steering wheel. I don't want to get this stuff on my clothes neither. Just want to make sure I get most of it from this angle. Whoops. Came up nice and shiny. Then I'm gonna just polish it with some wax. Put a little bit of wax. This is like doing your shoes, man. Ain't not, no big deal behind this. Just like if you was polishing your shoes. If you guys ever been to or been part of institutions where you gotta look nice and neat, polish your shoes, you know what I'm talking about. Institutions they got out there where you gotta look nice and titty. So let me just go around. I think I'm all set on this side. Going around. Looking good, Caesar?
Mhm.
Yeah, looking good, man. It is looking good. Looking better than I thought. Ooh. See, that was just some drip right there. Lucky me, I had that cover. Just go around. Leave the doors open so that it can dry from the air. Strong odor. These chemicals. Get this side. I think we're through. After this, we're through. You heard Caesar? After this, we're finished. Caesar want to go on and play his games and stuff. That's what he does. Believe it or not, he's pretty good at these games. Free fire and all that stuff.